James Corey Technical Institute presents
20 days mega training.
Are you ready to elevate your skills in electrical engineering? Then join our practical training.
That would be starting on Monday, the 10th of August 2026.
Training course outlines includes 1. Solar and inverter installation. 2. CCTV camera installation. 3. Electrical wiring. 4. Industrial control panels, which includes direct online panels, forward and reverse panels. 5. Smart home automation. 6. Automatic changeover switches. 7. Electrical distribution panels and busbar panels. 8. AutoCAD design. 9. General automation.
Training fee is 60,000 Naira.
With free accommodation.
Date is the 10th of August to the 28th of August 2026.
Time is 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Our address is displayed on the screen. You can also call us on 07038187748. Miss this incredible opportunity to boost your skills and career prospects. Come and become a master and a professional in the field of engineering.